It's very small here. Wow. Alright, it's day 2 in Rome. We're heading to the Vatican, the smallest country in the world. So now I'm in Italy. Now I am in Vatican City. We made it to the Vatican. This is much better than Rome. The atmosphere is so much more different than Rome. Much better. People are friendlier. Food is better. Marco is enjoying the holy water of the Vatican. I have to say it's very refreshing. Ooh, especially on such a hot day. Yeah, it's nice, right? You are now blessed by the holy water of the Vatican. This building is absolutely massive. It feels super significant, and I think it is. This must be one of the most important holy churches in the world. We're gonna go take a look inside. I'm very curious. So we're gonna climb the St. Peter's Dome, and there's a sign here that says you have heart problems, don't take the stairs. Sounds like it might be very difficult. Alright, we will begin our journey up on the stairs, 500 steps. Gambate, Mariko. Getting dizzy! There's no end to these stairs. It's like I'm in Super Mario 64's Bowser staircase, there's no end. Whew. I think we arrived. I'm not that tired, I'm mostly very dizzy. Let's hope the view is gonna be worth it. Very epic hallway to the top of the dome, I think. Feels like there's gonna be an epic boss battle at the end of this walled corridor. Whoa. I think we have arrived, guys. Whoa. Turns out there's another staircase. This one's even smaller, even more tiring, even more dizzying. Oof. It's very small here. Are you still okay, Michael?
Yes.
Whoa, and it gets crooked here. Whoa. Not only is gonna hurt your legs, they're also gonna hurt your neck. Practically everyone is completely out of breath.
Finally. Finish?
Wow. This is really high.
Okej. Sen har vi om med blått. Prata sen där.
Okay, time to head back down. Going down is even more scary, it turns out. vending machines blessed by the Pope himself. Church is dedicated to Saint Peter, the first ever Pope, and this thing here is actually where he was buried or portrayed after he died. Yeah, absolutely amazing. This place is so big. We were actually up here just earlier, and it's just amazing how big it is, and yeah, I don't know how they were able to build this so long ago. Yeah, there's a very heavy atmosphere. You can really feel the significance of this place. Absolutely amazing. So that's it for the Vatican today. It was way more interesting than I thought. I thought we'll see the church and we'll get out. But we went all the way to the top of this dome. It was very tiring. I think we really need a break. The steps were so, I don't know, so long, and it was going up in a spiral and I got dizzy. I need a break. But it was really impressive. And the church was really beautiful as well. And when you go under the church, there's a catacomb with all the graves of all the previous popes. It's so amazing that you can see that, such a important part of history. But next we're gonna see some more of Rome, but I'm glad we saw the Vatican as well. Mariko's going for second breakfast. Some real spaghetti. So next up is the Mouth of Truth. You put your hand inside a statue, and if your hand makes that alive, you are not a liar. And it's actually right here at this cool towery church thingy. Marco really wanted to see the Mouth of Truth. Why do you know about this? What is this thing? I've never seen it before. Movie? What kind of movie?
I don't know English, Roman accused.
Okay, some sort of Italian movie. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but
Famous in Japan.
Oh, famous in Japan. That's why. Okay, let's go. All right, we made it to the Mount of Truth. Gonna test this hand. Hope I survive. Rome, can you stop with all the nice spots? We tried to find a restaurant, but there's a nice spot everywhere we go. We can never eat like this. We keep being interrupted by all these beautiful spots. I'm so hungry. So this is the altar of the fatherland. Looks absolutely epic. I really don't know the history, but it's a stunning location. This is probably the most touristy place I've ever eaten at. You can see the Colosseum from here. Very scenic, very touristy, but we're gonna treat ourselves to a real Italian pizza. Alright, our food has arrived. Marco has gnocchi. I have a pizza margherita. It looks absolutely huge, and it also actually is. Mariko has never eaten gnocchi before, so that will be fun. A bit strange to eat from a pan, but okay, it will do. Yeah, I think that's just this restaurant style. Alright, let's try.
Wow. Looks like mochi.
Ah, it's chewy, yeah, it's a bit similar.
Tteokbokki? Korean.
Yeah, I like gnocchi, it's nice. They did it on purpose. Are you becoming more Italian? I have actually eaten gnocchi before, so I'll be the judge if this is good or bad gnocchi. I've had better and I've had worse. It's not bad. No. The sauce is good. The sauce is very good. The gnocchi is just normal gnocchi.
Nice. Crispy.
Crispy. But is it good?
Normal.
Normal? Yeah. I thought maybe pizza is the same everywhere in the world. Alright, we're heading back home. Our dinner was pretty good. Real Italian pizza. I think we're finished with Rome though. I don't know what's left to do. We saw pretty much everything. So I think we're gonna research to do a little day trip to a different Italian town. And yeah, you'll see in the next video if we find something interesting or not. So if you like our adventures through Europe, be sure to leave a like, subscribe and all that stuff, and you'll see us in the next video. Bye.